Are you ready to unlock the secret to turning your Pinterest account into a money-making machine? In the next few minutes, we're diving deep into powerful SEO tips that could skyrocket your blog traffic and boost your income. If you're not using these strategies, you're leaving money on the table. Stick around to discover how simple tweaks can transform your pins into traffic magnets and change your financial future forever. Don't miss out. This could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. Step 1. Your Pinterest profile is the foundation of your success. A well-optimized profile can significantly impact how users perceive you and your content, so let's ensure it's spot on. Begin by crafting a clear, keyword-rich bio that not only highlights your niche, but also communicates your expertise. Think about the words your target audience would use to find content like yours, and incorporate those into your bio. Next, choose a professional profile picture. This could be a personal photo or a branded logo, whichever resonates more with your audience. A high-quality image builds immediate credibility and trust. Now, let's talk about your boards. Organize them thoughtfully around the topics you cover on your blog or website. Aim for a mix of specific and broader topics to cater to various user interests. Each board should have a compelling title and a keyword-rich description, as these elements play a crucial role in Pinterest's search algorithm. Consider this: are your boards not only serving your content, but also engaging your audience? Think of your profile as a welcoming storefront. It should invite users to explore more. What changes will you make to enhance your profile today? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Step 2. Creating visually appealing pins is essential for capturing the attention of your audience. Think of your pins as small advertisements for your content. Their design should be striking, yet true to your brand's identity. Use bold colors, compelling images, and clear fonts to make your pins stand out in crowded feeds. Now, let's talk about the power of keywords. Including relevant keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and alt text can drastically improve their visibility on Pinterest. When users search for specific topics, Pinterest's algorithm looks for these keywords to serve the most relevant content. This means that your pins need to not only look good, but also be strategically designed with the right words. Start by exploring the keywords that resonate with your target audience. Research popular terms related to your niche, and think about the phrases your potential followers might be searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your pin's title. This is your first chance to make an impression. For the description, expand on the title. Provide additional context about what the pin offers while weaving in those key terms seamlessly. Don't forget the alt text. This is often overlooked, but incredibly important for accessibility and SEO. Craft alt text that accurately describes the image while also including your targeted keywords. Finally, consider how often you're pinning your content. Consistency is key in maintaining visibility and engaging your audience. Are you ready to transform your pins into powerful tools that drive traffic and engagement? What keywords have you discovered that you plan to use? Step 3. Implement a consistent pinning strategy. Consistency is a game changer when it comes to boosting your traffic on Pinterest. Think of your pinning strategy as a well-oiled machine. The more regularly it operates, the smoother your results will be. To stay on track, consider using a scheduling tool like Tailwinds. This can save you time and help maintain a steady stream of content, ensuring your audience always has fresh pins to engage with. Next, dive into your Pinterest analytics. This handy tool gives you insights into which pins are resonating most with your audience. Are certain designs or topics getting more love? Take note. This data is invaluable for fine-tuning your strategy and maximizing your visibility. By analyzing performance, you can focus your efforts on creating similar content that aligns with what your audience craves. Remember, the goal here is not just to pin for the sake of pinning, but to share quality, optimized content that sparkles and grabs attention. The more consistently you share this curated content, the better your chances of driving significant traffic to your blog or website. Now, think about your own pinning habits. How often do you share content, and what can you adjust to create a more consistent approach?